Now for hairstyle number 3, I like to just start from here. So from the top of my brow, I pull. So from the top of my brow, I create like a little round part. So I section that area there. And here looks a little pointy, so I do a small little round part like this. I pull the rest of the hair back and I secure it so that it doesn't move out of place or doesn't mix into the braid that I'm about to do. And now I have this piece here. You will need a little scrunchie so that when you secure your braid, you will need a little scrunchie like this, little elastics, so that you can secure your braid right at the end here. You could do 2 braids, you could do 1 braid, you could even do 3. I've done 3 before, but just for the purpose of this video, you could do 2, you could do 3, you could just do 1 entire big one. I'm gonna do 1 here because I want this to be an easy tutorial. I don't want this to be a little too advanced. So I section off like a little pyramid here, and then I have the front of my braid. So I begin by sectioning it off. So I'm gonna wet this a little bit with mousse so that my hair stays in place. So from the top of my, so then I'm gonna create in the front here, I'm gonna create a little tiny like pyramid shape. So that's gonna be the part of my braid, the beginning part. So I section it off into 3 sections like this. I want it to be even, so I make sure they're even. And then I always go behind the cross, so behind the cross again. So I cross them all and then I begin to pick up the hair. Before I continue, if you want to learn how to if you do want to learn detail by detail how to make this exact braid, go watch my other video that I will be linking down below. It is how to get those 2 braids, but the same technique of braiding I use here. So if you want to watch a little bit more detail, you can go ahead and watch that. So I'm just grabbing the hair with my thumb. I'm picking up the back parts of the hair, so the hair that I want to combine into that braid, I'm picking it up with my thumb. And always make sure you're braiding your hair tight so it can be secure and it won't be all over the place or won't look it won't look messy. And I like to part the hair with my pointer finger, and then I pick up with my thumb. Alright, so I'm going to continue braiding the hair so that it doesn't split apart until I'm going to continue braiding. So I'm going to continue braiding the hair so I can secure it and it won't fall apart when I put it into that bun. And with my elastic, I'm going to secure it and tighten here at the base. That's why I braid the hair, so that when I'm doing all of this, it's not going to unbraid and all my hard work has gone for nothing. So, up, you see, and the thing just popped. These things always pop on me. I have so much hair. Okay, great. So now I'm gonna secure and tighten that braid, and now I have a little thing of hair here. If you'd like, you can leave your hair like this, but if you'd like, you could even leave your hair like this. This is pretty cool. You can curl your hair or leave it straight, but I'm gonna put it up in a bun. So I'm gonna push this forward here, and I'm gonna pick up all the hair and make a pony right at the top. When I have my hair at the top, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the hair from the braid. Huh? Aquí, I'm recording. Gonna keep combing, and now I'm gonna tie it into a ponytail. Mommy, do you have syrup? Yes, can I have this? Can I have juice, please? Alright, so I'm gonna secure that. And I'm gonna twist the hair. Thanks, Mom. And put it in a bun. Let me not forget my baby hairs. So I do have a little, so let me not forget my baby hairs, and I'm gonna add a little bit of mousse. So let me not forget my little baby hairs, and I'm gonna add some mousse to tame them for my little flyaways. I'm gonna add a little bit of mousse here onto my edge control pomade. And I'm gonna, if you don't have this problem, you don't have to do it. But I do, so I gotta control these babies. And this is the braid with a bun. this completes the 3 back to school hair looks that you can do. These were so fun to do. Reminds me, give me the nostalgic thoughts about when I had to go back to school, into high school or into college, whichever one it is. But yeah, thank you again for watching. Hopefully you can watch the back to school makeup tutorial or the back to school skincare review. I'm gonna leave the links down there below. And again, thank you for watching and good luck. Have a good semester, have a good year. I'll see you next time.